Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best thermostat for heat mats in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Vivos UN Digital Heat Mat Thermostat Temperature Controller, 40 to 108 of 1000 W for reptiles, seedlings, germination, incubation, and fermentation. Professional, reliable results. Regulates and maintains your preferred temperature within a control range from 40 to 108 of. Temperature display range is 32–210 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfect for professional horticulturalists or the budding grower. Comes with a sensor probe so you can reliably track the temperature of your plant's roots. High-quality construction. With an easy-to-grip hexagonal shape and made of an extra fortified plastic, components will not rust or malfunction under tough conditions. Zero-effort setup and operation. The controller comes with a manual, but you won't need to read it. Using just 3 buttons, you can set a temperature or change the display between Fahrenheit/Celsius in seconds. Use, hang, forget. Our controller comes with a hanging tab and wall mount, along with a convenient angled socket to keep cords untangled and neat. Guaranteed to keep your operation perfectly balanced, as all things should be. Number 2. Benlink Digital Heat Mat Thermostat Controller for Seed Germination, Reptiles, and Brewing Breeding Incubation Greenhouse, 4108 degrees Fahrenheit, 8.3 a 1000 WETL listed. EVFO or TLES heating CDUB. Simply set the temperature probe, plug in the controller, and use the large 3-button interface to choose your desired temperature setting. Digital display supports units in both Fahrenheit and Celsius. Ease of mind. Handy LED heating and power indicator lights allow you to see the controller's status even in total darkness. Controller features a convenient hanging tab and a bright, easy-to-read display inside a tough plastic housing. Rugged Kyo instruction. The cord for the temperature probe and grounded 3-prong plug measure and extended 6 feet in length, designed to suit almost any application you can imagine. Variety of USEs. Our thermostat controller can be used for seedling germination, rooting, brewing, heating, fermentation, and more, keeping your various environments in their ideal temperature range. Number 1. At issue under tank heater thermostat. Reptile heating pad with temperature control. Reptile heat mat for combo set for hermit crab lizard terrarium mate doa. Combo set, packed with digital thermostat and under tank heater. Reptile under tank heat pad provides your reptile gentle and constant warm 24 hours, and monitors and control the temperature all the time. Upheed your ADDVRSION. Upgraded adhesive material of under tank heat pad is more solid than similar products in the market. It effectively decreases and eradicates the probability of melting and separating.